Hi everyone, today we're gonna check it out, the light air dry clay. And before you start the video, please don't forget to subscribe and you press the bell button just to get notified for all my videos. All my social medias are up there if you're looking for it. And for the videos, if you're looking the video for English and you're just finding in Portuguese, don't forget that I put all my videos in Portuguese and English, so just go to the videos and scroll down and you find yours. So I got this light air dry clay here. Probably all of them come from China. I got at Amazon, and I will leave the link down below for you guys. And it's a package that comes a bunch of colors, comes some tools like that. Kind of, they are very flimsy. I don't know if I'm gonna use them, but if you're starting and you don't have any, they are perfect. And let's see what this clay is air dry, just like the cold porcelain that I use, but it's super light. Like my clay I buy by the weight, so I buy by 1 kilo, but this one you buy by grams because it doesn't weigh anything, like anything at all. This bag had 24 colors and doesn't weigh anything. And I'm very interested. I know that a lot of people use it because it's easier to get. I didn't think that was that cheap because it comes so tiny, like it comes 24 colors. You see all the pinks, then I have it here, but it's kind of just a little bit, so you're gonna need to buy more. I'm gonna see if I can see if I like the clay and if I needed to get in big bags, and I'll let you guys know. So you see all the yellows and red, and there's another pink, and then comes another like 3 shades of blues and like gray and black and greens, like light green, and mint, probably we should say, and then another pink and purple and 2 shades of brown. I think it's a really cool start package, but I don't know if you're making something, if you're gonna have enough or each color, especially like skin color and white and black, things that we use a lot. So let's see. We open up, it comes in a Ziploc bag and feels very kind of super soft and wet. A little bit, like you can feel a little wet, but doesn't stick in the table, doesn't stick on your hands. I was playing around for a while. We didn't get dry super fast or start cracking. It's very pliable. I really love the texture. I don't know how it's gonna be to work one in big figurines like that, if I'm gonna need to space them out a little bit more and really make like the shoes and then let it dry, and then make legs and then let it dry, because I don't think being soft like that and really stretchable, then it's gonna hold weight when you're setting everything together. So you probably need to have a little more time to dry before it snaps, definitely more than the cold porcelain that I use. But it's very stretchable and very flexible, very soft and very airy. It's like the perfect name for this clay, light and airy. Like it's very fluffy. I think it's perfect for kids because it really doesn't make less mess than Play-Doh, but I think we can really use it and make a lot of cool things with that. See, you can open with that my little stamper. Everybody that was asking, this is like a acrylic for the stamps, you know, when you have stamps for paper, and just using the top part, and it's very easy to cut. I was trying to have everything made in this video, like cut, stick, open, and see if we can do everything, but I really like it. I think it's a great clay and I'm gonna start using it. I will leave the link below. I think I paid $12 for this whole 24 sets of colors, and let's try and see, because I'm keep looking for things that I can make, but I want you guys to be able to find the clay, because my clay comes from Brazil. It's not everybody that can find it, there's not everybody that can buy it, and it's super hard to bring it here too, and super heavy. So let's see if this one's gonna work better for us. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.